I am Aiden Abrahamson. I'm 19 years old and I am a boxer. I've been boxing probably about 7 years. I got into it because my grandfather was a boxer back in the day for the Army, and he fought some pretty good guys. And then my dad got these bags, one of what you see here. And then my dad showed me some things, my grandfather showed me some things, got a pair of gloves, and yeah. So these gloves right here, my grandfather's old gloves. Later, when he was a teenager, he got these gloves when he was fighting back in the day. And so yeah, he gave me these gloves maybe like 5-6 years ago, so they mean a lot. It's a good reminder to me just about like how hard he fought and how much he loves boxing, and it makes me want to love it more. So I usually train every day. So I do come down here, do some shadow boxing, do a lot of rounds on this heavy bag here, and then I have one over here which you're going to see later that moves. So do a lot of rounds on there. I do some shadow boxing with weights just to get my hand speed up, and then do weights, some lifting, different exercises with that, jump rope, do a lot of jump rope. I do really like training. I go through the day just thinking about getting down here and being able to punch the bag. It's a lot of fun for me, just like getting better is a lot of fun. And it's hard because out here in rural Pennsylvania, there's not, especially during the time we're in right now, it's hard because I can't get out to like boxing gyms and do that sort of thing. So just been going to YouTube, watching a lot of videos, trying to teach myself, and then I come down here and just work on it. I love the grind, I love getting to it. It's important to keep the right mindset, remember why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because it's fun and doing it for Jesus. I would say at times it's definitely be hard. It's been hard just training down here by myself because I don't really have anyone to do it with a lot of the time, because I don't have a lot of people around me who are like super into boxing and who want to do it. So that can be hard, just doing it by myself and not always having a trainer right next to me correcting my mistakes. So just got to be really self-aware of what I'm doing and what I may be doing wrong. Keeps me motivated is just wanting to be the best and wanting to be the best I can be. And I know there's a lot of guys out there training hard, and I think in some ways I'm behind the curve, and that gives me motivation to just want to step up my game and work as hard as I can to reach those guys and be the best boxer I can be. My end goal is to just keep training hard, fight some really good guys, and just to glorify Jesus Christ in all I do, because without him, I'm nothing.